Hey guys, I wanted to show you this new product I saw at O'Reilly. So I went there to get some brake stuff and saw this on the shelf. So I don't know if it's a new product, I've never seen it before, and it was on the new product shelf. So, new Easy Grip can. So red and tacky spray grease. Alright, narrow to the... So spray red and tacky grease. So what I'm hoping to do is... God, if anybody that's on an early Bronco knows how much of a nightmare getting the tailgate to stop squeaking is. So in one of my videos on off-road, you can really hear it. And I know it's coming because I sprayed some silicone grease in there and it made it quieter for about a week. So I'm thinking the noise is coming from there, maybe, or that latch. But if I shake the car up and down, back and forth, like I grab onto the top and shake it, it seems like it's coming from back in there somewhere. I think it's that. You know. But yeah, very annoying sound. Yeah, man, it's almost like I'm okay with it, you know. But I mean, that would drive my wife crazy if she had to go in this car, you know. My kid's fine too. They're off roading the other day. He's fine. It just my wife wouldn't be able to handle that noise. So all right. So I'm gonna see how this shit works. I'm sorry, I shouldn't cuss in these videos. A must for garage doors. Alright, I'm gonna see what it's like. Alright, cool. Yeah, it's a rattle can. Alright. Should probably do a little test spray before I put it on my truck. I don't really know what's gonna happen, so let's do a little test sprint here. Okay. I'm shaking it. So it's not like, it doesn't feel like real grease. Well, I don't know, not thick grease. Shake well before use. I'm shaking for a while. Alright, I guess I'll spray a little bit on there and see what happens. Pull that out. So I guess it's not like real grease. So alright, that's cool, we'll try it, see what happens. It's pretty expensive, it was like $10.99, so it wasn't cheap. Alright, red and tacky. Alright guys, so the consistency's kind of changed. Once I started spraying it, I can see what I did right there. It's getting a little bit, it's thickening. See that right there? So it's different, way different, more thick, not so watery. Yeah, definitely better, so. Alright, let me show you what I did. I literally think it's coming, it has to be coming from right there. I have to wipe off the excess, but if I can reach that. Somewhere, I think it's that right there. So, let's see what happens.